I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming model and firmware because interfaces differ. Once done, connect your PC to the TP-Link network by Ethernet for stability or Wi-Fi if needed. Open a browser and type 192.168.0.1 or tplinkwifi. Net, then enter the admin username and password. If you changed it, use the updated one. This gets you into the router dashboard so you can locate traffic or statistics pages, essential for accurate data usage checks. Once logged in, go to Advanced Settings and look for System Tools or Traffic Statistics. TP-Link groups it under different tabs, so explore the menu. Enable traffic monitoring and select the WAN or LAN interface you want to measure, because choosing the wrong interface shows irrelevant totals. Then set the time frame, pick daily, monthly, or a custom range, and start or refresh the monitor. These steps collect byte counts per device or port, so you know who or what consumes bandwidth. After monitoring starts, review the per-device breakdown and graphs to identify heavy users, export CSV, or take screenshots for billing records. Once you understand patterns, reset counters at the start of your billing cycle or configure usage alerts when supported. This keeps tracking accurate. If statistics aren't appearing, reboot the router, check firmware updates, and retry. If nothing works, back up settings and perform a factory reset as a last resort. That usually resolves persistent monitoring faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.